If your Android camera is showing everything upside down or flipped, don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can be frustrating, but I'll walk you through a few simple fixes to get your camera working properly again. First, open your device settings by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Once inside, scroll down and find Apps. Then tap on it to see the list of installed applications. In the search bar at the top, type Camera and select it from the results. Now, look for the storage option and tap on it. Here, you'll find an option called Clear Data Go Ahead and select it. When the confirmation prompt appears, tap Delete to reset the camera app. This will remove any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. After clearing the data, restart your device to ensure the changes take effect. Also, check if any software updates are available for your phone. These updates often include fixes for camera-related bugs. That's it. By following these steps, clearing your camera data, restarting your phone, and checking for updates, you should be able to fix your upside-down camera issue in no time. If this guide was helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.